India is one of the oldest civilizations in the world. It has a long and beautiful history. This history is full of courage, wisdom, and culture. Today we will travel through time. We will see how India changed. We will understand how India became the nation it is today. Let us begin our journey. More than 5,000 years ago, the Indus Valley civilization was born. People lived near rivers. They built strong cities. They had clean roads and drainage systems. This shows that ancient Indians were intelligent and organized. Later, great kingdoms rose. The Maurya and Gupta empires became powerful. During this time, science grew, mathematics improved, art and literature flourished. India became a center of knowledge. India became famous for education. Universities like Nalanda attracted students from many countries. Great thinkers were born. Aryabhata in mathematics, Charaka in medicine, Kalidasa in literature. They shared wisdom with the world. India taught the world how to think deeply and live wisely. Many rulers came to India. The Delhi Sultanate and Mughal Empire ruled large areas. The Mughals built beautiful monuments. The Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Jama Masjid. These buildings show love for art and beauty. Different cultures met and mixed. This created a rich and colorful society. In the 18th century, the British came to India. At first, they came for trade. Later, they took control. India lost freedom. Many people suffered. Farmers became poor. Industries were destroyed. But Indians did not give up. They stood together. India's fight for freedom was peaceful and brave. Great leaders guided the nation. Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. Gandhi taught nonviolence. He showed that truth is stronger than weapons. After many sacrifices, India became free on August 15, 1947. This was a proud moment. After freedom, India faced many challenges. The country was poor. People needed education and jobs. Slowly, India grew. Factories opened. Schools increased. Technology improved. India became a democratic nation. Every citizen got the right to vote. Today, India is changing fast. India is strong in science, space research, information technology, medicine. Indian satellites travel to space. Indian doctors save lives. Indian students shine worldwide. India connects tradition with technology. India is a land of unity and diversity. People speak many languages. They follow many religions. They wear different clothes, but they share one heart. Festivals like Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Holi bring people together. India teaches the world how to live in harmony. India's journey is long and inspiring. From ancient cities to modern rockets, from stone tools to smartphones, India has grown with time. But one thing never changed: the spirit of India, a spirit of courage, a spirit of kindness, a spirit of hope. The future of India is bright, and this journey continues. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.